Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Camaro bow tie. First, gather your tools, a heat gun, some fishing line, and painter's tape. This tape will protect your car's paint around the emblem. Make sure you're working in a well-ventilated area for safety. These simple preparations ensure a smooth and damage-free removal process for your vehicle's emblem. Now gently heat the bow tie emblem using your heat gun. Keep the heat moving to avoid damaging the paint. Once warm, take your fishing line and carefully slide it behind the emblem. Use a sawing motion to cut through the adhesive, working slowly and applying steady, even pressure. This step requires patience to prevent scratching your car's finish. After the emblem is off, you'll likely have some adhesive residue left behind. Apply a specialized automotive adhesive remover to the area. Let it sit for a moment to break down the glue, then gently rub with a clean microfiber cloth. Take your time to ensure all sticky residue is completely gone, leaving a smooth, clean surface. Finally, wash the area with car soap and water to remove any remaining cleaner or debris. For an extra layer of protection and shine, apply a quality car wax or sealant to the newly exposed paint. Step back and admire your clean, emblem-free Camaro. You've successfully completed the removal process, giving your car a sleek, custom look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.